We've enjoyed their music for a very long time, and I'd just like to take a second to say that the Makaha Sons has always been an inspiration for us, Olomana. I think we've gone through a lot of the same things. We've tried to make good music. We've lost people that we love. We continue to make music, and for them I can say they've continued to make Hawaiian music to inspire the generations that come to come back to Hawaiian music and enjoy it and love it. So happy 15th anniversary to the Makaha Sons of Ni'ihau.
Mahalo.
Israel and I go back to 1974 when I was vice principal and at Waianae High School, and Israel was a student who loved his ukulele, who loved music, and who loved school lunch. When the bell rang for class, all the youngsters headed for class. Like Moon, he went to class. Israel, he took his ukulele and went to building D by the stairwell, next to the boys' bathroom. And he held his own ukulele appreciation class.
Better than assembly. Oh, soon as she didn't walk out, I said, oh no, my mama. Skippy must be in the office shaking his head again. Oh boy, yeah. Too mean, I cannot think right now.
Hey, this guy honest, bro. Way back when, I remember this guy. Honest. I go surfing, Makaha. This guy is inside Makaha, going through my glove box. Tell him, what you doing, bro? He said, no worry, I'll give you half.
Oh no!
Yeah, I remember this guy too, why night time. Every time he hitchhiking on the road, you gotta pick him up, man. Because, you know, yeah, really? You know, you cannot make like you never see him, you know what I mean? Okay, you cannot go past, you gotta go around, you know what I mean? Why his thumb gets stuck in your grill, you know what I mean?
Ladies and gentlemen, Skylark and I would just like to say a few things about the Makaha Sons, that I would like my ukulele back after the show. 15 years and he still borrow our instruments. Ladies and gentlemen, for 15 years the Makaha Sons have lasted. And it takes a band, a lot of perseverance, love, aloha, and patience. So how about a nice hand for this, the best Hawaiian group.
Growing up in Palolo Valley, long time ago, I used to listen to my uncle, Mokeale, who couldn't be here, and his friends play music, Paulie Martinez, and plenty guys used to play around at Queen Surf. And then my father and his friends from Kaimuki used to listen to them play music. But I remember some old stuff they used to do. And this is one of them.
Ladies and gentlemen, male vocalist for 1991.
You give your hand to me and you say hello, and I can hardly speak. My heart is beating so, but you never know the one who loved you so. You don't know me, and you don't know the one who dreams of you at night and longs to kiss your lips, longs to hold you tight. But I'm just a friend, that's all I ever been. You don't know me. I never knew the art of making love.
Good night, everybody.